Hey guys, welcome to JOYKOO TV. This is Alan. Today we bring you 12.8 lead acid replacement series product. This battery is 12.8 volt, 200 amp hour lead acid replacement LiFePO4 battery. It uses 3.2 volt, 200 amp hour lithium iron phosphate cell, and the built-in smart BMS is from JBD. This BMS with Bluetooth module, so we can connect the battery with our phone app by Bluetooth connection. We can check the battery data on our phone like this. This smart BMS can provide overcharging, overcurrent, temperature, and other protection for this battery pack. The weight of this battery is 18 kilo. It's 1/3 that of lead acid battery. Okay, next we connection the 4-piece this battery in series and connect to a Growatt inverter. This system now is working normally. See, we use this battery powered tools, and actually this battery support up to 4 pieces in series or in parallel use. Because this battery have more than 6,000 times cycle life, so I think it can work in more than 10 years normally. And we give this battery 5 years warranty. The price of this battery is about 1.5 to 2 times that of lead acid batteries, but the service life is about 4 times that of lead acid batteries. So what are you waiting for? Just come and enjoy it.